Hey everyone, welcome to today's Explainer. Look, before we jump into this massive topic, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button and hit subscribe so you never miss an explainer from us. Today, we're exploring the ultimate David versus Goliath scenario. We are diving into the exact digital tools that are helping small businesses absolutely crush their massive corporate competitors.
So let me ask you, are you feeling completely overwhelmed by those massive corporate competitors? If you're a solo entrepreneur, or maybe you're just running a super lean team, you intimately know that pain point. I mean, trying to keep up with industry giants used to feel pretty much impossible, right? But as we dug into the research for this explainer, we were honestly blown away to realize that the ever-growing digital shift across almost every industry has completely shattered those once insurmountable barriers.
Okay, let's dive into this. Historically, huge corporate budgets just won the day. A giant marketing span meant you owned the market. End of story. But today, things like cloud computing and CRM, customer relationship management software, have totally leveled the playing field. These tools used to be the exclusive playground of big corporations with literally bottomless wallets, but now, their newfound accessibility gives modern small businesses incredible agility. You can engage clients, manage your data, and streamline operations with a speed that a massive, clunky bureaucracy simply cannot match.
All right, let's get right into it with hack number 1, the free marketing engine.
This is where social media just absolutely shines as a completely accessible and honestly often totally free marketing engine. You don't need a massive PR agency or $1 million billboard budget anymore. No way. With literally just a smartphone, any local shop or startup can run highly targeted Facebook ads, create viral TikTok content, and post engaging Instagram stories. You can hyper-target the exact same customers that big guys are chasing, effectively sniping market share away from giant corporations at just a fraction of the cost.
Moving right along to hack number 2, professional design on a budget.
Let's be real for a second, hiring a full-fledged, super expensive design team is just out of reach for most small businesses. But AI-driven platforms have totally democratized high-quality design. It's actually amazing. You literally just start with a pre-designed template, use a simple drag-and-drop interface, and then let AI assist you in customizing it to fit your brand. Boom, done. By following those 3 simple steps, you're quickly producing stunning, professional-grade marketing materials that actually grab attention and drive engagement, all without breaking the bank.
Next up, hack number 3, smarter AI insights.
What's really interesting here is how AI changes the game for predicting what happens next. I want you to just imagine for a second, knowing exactly which products will sell best next season, or instantly spotting inefficiencies in your operations, all without spending hours digging through miserable, endless spreadsheets. Sounds like an absolute dream, right? Well, AI actually achieves this reality by analyzing customer behavior, sales trends, and market patterns. By crunching all this past data, artificial intelligence empowers small businesses to identify hidden opportunities and predict future outcomes with striking accuracy.
Which builds perfectly into hack number 4, your 24/7 virtual team.
The days of missing out on sales just because your shop is closed for the night? Yeah, those are over. 24/7. That is the magic number right there. Small businesses no longer need to sleep on customer support or basic daily operations. Because with modern chatbots, a team of exactly one person can provide round-the-clock assistance to customers. These bots handle common queries, process orders, and even qualify your leads, all while sounding completely natural. You are literally helping customers and growing your business while you sleep. But it goes way beyond just chatbots. Take a listen to this quote from the source material. Running an establishment on limited resources often means every member having to wear many hats. Look, we all know this feeling. You're wearing the CEO hat, the marketing hat, the IT hat, and let's be honest, some of those hats are just plain ugly and exhausting to wear. But what if you could hand some of those hats over to smart, automated AI virtual assistants? That is the ultimate relief. Just think about how much heavy lifting these automated systems can actually take off your plate. We're talking about managing your appointment scheduling, sending out timely client reminders, processing payments securely, generating detailed performance tracking reports, and even organizing your workflow tasks. Think about how much free time you get back to focus on high-level strategy and actual business growth when AI just handles all this busy work. It's a total game changer.
Which brings us to hack number 5, seamless cloud collaboration.
You know, the days of being tethered to a single physical office space are totally gone. Thanks to cloud technology, you can seamlessly connect remote and part-time teams from absolutely anywhere. Small businesses are now empowered to build and communicate with their teams effortlessly. That means you can hire the best talent regardless of their zip code. You get to maintain a super lean operation while keeping your talent pool incredibly deep.
And finally, let's talk about unlocking your competitive advantage.
Small business technology truly is the great equalizer. It effectively turns David into a Goliath slayer. But there is a catch. You can't just plug in an AI and walk away. You absolutely must involve your human team in collaborative brainstorming to ensure these new tools actually complement your workflows rather than completely disrupt them. Your human element, that's the secret ingredient that makes the tech work perfectly.
So I want to hear from you. Which digital tool are you going to adopt first to absolutely crush the competition? Are you jumping straight into AI insights or maybe setting up a 24/7 chatbot? Tell us down in the comments section below. Thank you so much for tuning into this explainer. Remember to smash that like button, subscribe, and keep crushing it out there. We'll see you in the next one.